So we're here shooting the new HRC design and the new bike for Dakar 22. I hope I can have insurance for this.
It's magic.
So we didn't want to do it in Morocco again, or I guess we shot in Portugal last year. Just not like any regular shooting that we normally do, because you can only do it a few times and then it just gets the same all over again. So this is what we came with, just to do the whole shooting inside and try to also do it a little bit like to enjoy some fun with the riders. It's going to be completely different what we did in here. I hope people will appreciate it, that they will like it. But we just need to shoot now.
Hey! Just how it is, you know, short legs. So this year for the 2022 Dakar Rally, we're going to do our promotional video image shots here in a studio. It's a makeshift studio, it's on a farm, it's in the middle of the Czech Republic. What a better place to be. We're going to ride dirt bikes. But I wanted to throw it at him, you know. We need to reshovel the rut because otherwise it's going to get to the floor. Production.
That's what photography is about, shoveling like 8 tons of sand. That's all you need to do to be a good photographer. We already did one with Ricky, now we set it up another scene with Nacho, just to jump like over the dune. So we put a little bit of the haze in there. I believe it's gonna look sick.
Jsem se v 15 rozhodoval, co dál dělat. Být držávníkem byla jasná volba.
How do they wear this? Like this? No way.
Always enjoy tea time.
Just finished shooting on the moon. First time we shot a bike on the moon. It's a little step for a man, but a giant step for mankind. Dobrý? So we just set up like a little fresh fish scene. We have 1,000 kilos of flour.
It's kind of difficult because it's slippery, but when you hit the like the dust.
Let's do this.
Beat me up, Scotty!
gotta do it again, sounds like.
Like no emotion somewhere there.
So it's almost 9 p.m. We've now set up the bike. We're gonna be using a brand new Macro Pro Blends. Basically what it allows you to do is get a wide angle macro shot.
Diameter?
Water.
Yeah.
Spilled it all on myself. Oh, my butt's all wet. Wet sand.
Finally be here in Czech Republic.
Good.